You guys, let's Nara Smith some cough syrup. First, add some water. Next, toss in some dried elderberry, some ginger, some mullein, some cloves, and a cinnamon stick. This homemade cough syrup is high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and anti-inflammation properties, all to help strengthen your immune system. Keeps about a month in a glass jar in the fridge. So just take a spoonful or two whenever you feel a cough creeping in, or you can take a shot like me and my son did.